What did you do last week? Okay, these questions you might hear from your family or your friends after you spend your weekend. So how to answer these questions? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tabi pun. Okay, I am Adelina Anum. Today we are going to learn about a simple past tense. So these materials relate to the questions that I gave to you before. What did you do last week? So how to answer these questions? We will use simple past tense. Okay, when do we use simple past tense? We use simple past tense to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. So when we talk about past tense, means we talk about the past event. Okay. What are some common time expressions used with the past tense? The first is yesterday, and then last month, last year, and then last week, ago, in 1980, and many other expressions. Okay, how do we form a simple past tense? What makes a simple past tense different with a simple present tense is simple past tense will use verb to, or past form. Okay, English has two types of verbs. In the past tense, the verb is regular verbs and the second is irregular verbs. Regular and irregulars, it might be familiar for you. So what is regular and irregular? Okay, regular verbs are verbs that end with ed. This is in a past form. Walk, for example, walk, then you will add ed, become walk. And then study, you will add with ed, then become studied. And then cry, you will add with ed, will be cried. And if you add with ed, will be ended. So this is become regular verbs. Okay, and the second is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. What is irregular verbs? So irregular verbs are verbs that have a different form. Okay, I will give you some example here. For example, become. Okay, become, and then will be, became. Okay, it's a different form from verb 1 to be verb 2 with O and A. Okay, so another example is give, become, gave. This is the different form from verb 1 and verb 2. So we will use verb 2 in a simple past tense. Okay, hopefully you got a little bit materials about a regular and irregular verb in a simple past tense, because this is the basic how to make a sentence by using simple past tense. Okay, this is the formula. So we're going to learn about the formula, how to make a verbal sentence, how to make a sentence with a verb in a sentences. Okay, we will start from the first is a positive. Okay, positive sentence, the formula is, you can see on the slide, is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. And then, I will give you the example. Okay. The formula, subject plus verb 2 plus object. Okay. For example, I made a cup of coffee. Okay, made here is a verb 2. If you want to change, this is become make in a verb 1. It means the sentence use irregular verbs atau kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. So this is a positive one. How to change this sentence become negative? Okay, how to change it? you will also see on the slide, yeah, the negative one is subject plus did plus not. And then we will change the verb to become verb 1 plus object. Okay, how to make the sentence? Here we go. We will see. I did plus not, or you can shorten become didn't. Then made, yeah, you should change made become verb 1, yeah. I didn't make a cup of coffee. This is example of negative sentence in a simple past tense. Then how to use this sentence become interrogative or kalimat tanya. So you can see on the slide the formula is did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. So it means did I, you can change I become you. Did you, don't forget to change made verb 2 become verb 1. As you see the formula, did you make a cup of coffee? Okay, one thing that you should remember, verb 2 it's only for the positive one. For negative and interrogative, we still use verb 1, yeah, we still use verb 1, but here did is a verb 2 on a negative and interrogative sentence. Okay, so now we move to how to make a nominal sentence formula. I mean the way to make a nominal sentence. This is the formula. Okay. If in a verbal sentence, we use verb, but now we will use a noun or adjective or adverb on a sentence. So, or we call it as a nominal sentence. This is as just same like the formula before, but now we'll change subject plus to be. So, to be in a simple past tense is was and were. The use of was and were is based on the subject that we use on a sentence. And then noun, you may use noun or adjective, okay, or adverb. As the example, I was a stamp collector. Yeah, I was a stamp collector. This is a positive sentence for a nominal in simple past tense. And then don't forget, if we want to change positive become a negative sentence, don't forget to put not. Yeah, the word not means that I was not a stamp collector. Okay, this is the negative one. The last is interrogative or kalimat tanya. If you want to make a questions by using a nominal sentence, here we go. We will change I, yeah, we will change I become you. Means we have to use to be were. Okay, were you a stamp collector? Don't forget to put questions mark. Okay, this is the example of a nominal sentence: positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, this is the explanations about subject plus to be. Yeah, when do we use was? When do we use were? You can see on the slide. Yeah. I, he, she, and it. Yeah, the to be is was, and they, you, we will use were as the to be. Okay, this is a plural and Singular. Singular, I, he, she. It will use was, and plural, you, they, we will use were as the to be. Okay, I will give you a little bit descriptions, like, yeah, this is a past, this is now, and this is a future. Ya, you should remember that past means kejadian yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau, yang sudah pernah terjadi. Berarti we have to use verb to. Ya, don't forget that we have to use verb to. It means that you have to know verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3 to make a sentence. Ya, don't forget to learn more about a verb. Ya, regular verb, irregular verb, verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. You have to remember it. As I told you before that the basic tenses is simple present, simple past tense, and simple future. Yeah, then that's all the materials that I give to you. Don't forget to learn more about verb. Yeah, learn about tenses. At least the simple tenses, it will help you to speak English well. I think enough for today. I close this meeting by saying wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.